first we're going to grab our already pre-polished gel nail. We're going to take our gel foil glue and apply it to the nail. We want to make sure that we get full coverage with the foil glue so that the foil will stick all the way onto the nail. So next we're going to pick up our piece of foil and we are going to carefully place the foil onto the nail in the desired spot. After you place the foil, you want to apply a lot of pressure to the foil onto the nail to make sure that all of the foil comes off and transfers to the nail. So next you carefully peel off the foil. You do this carefully to make sure that all of the foil has transferred onto the nail. If not, you can reapply the foil and apply a little bit more pressure to get that transfer perfect. So after the foil has been applied, I am taking more foil gel glue and I'm applying it to the nail and I'm going to cure it for 15 to 30 seconds. Doing this creates a protective layer for the foil. And last, I am going to apply my Valentino top coat and then I will cure that for 30 seconds as well. Here is our completed look of the foil nail. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at nailsbybree. See you next time.